Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert sub-customers to projects using QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main homepage. This process starts in your account settings because projects need to be enabled before you can use them properly. If you don't see the option right away later on, it usually means this setting has not been turned on yet. Once you're on the home screen, move to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the company-level preferences and feature controls. After that, select Account and Settings to open the full settings panel for your company file. Inside Account and Settings, click on the Advanced section. This area contains additional configuration options that affect how certain tools work across QuickBooks. In that menu, look for the Project setting and turn it on. Enabling projects allows you to organize customer-related work more clearly, which is especially helpful when you want to track income, expenses, and profitability in a more project-based way. After turning the Projects option on, click Save. This is an important step because your changes won't apply unless they're saved. Once that's done, you can return to the home screen to continue. From the Home area, move your mouse over all apps or use the 9-dot launcher in the left navigation if that is what appears in your version of QuickBooks. Different layouts can look slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to access the section where customer-related tools are located. Next, hover over Customer Hub. This will expand the available customer options so you can move into the correct area. From there, click on Customer Lead. This takes you to the part of QuickBooks where you can continue the conversion workflow. Once you're in the Customer Lead area, click Convert. After selecting Convert, simply follow the on-screen procedure provided by QuickBooks. The prompts may vary a little depending on your account setup, but QuickBooks will guide you through the remaining part of the conversion process. As you go through the on-screen instructions, take a moment to review the information being converted so everything is assigned correctly. This can help prevent confusion later when you begin tracking activity under projects instead of sub-customers. That's it. You've now seen how to enable projects and begin converting through the customer workflow in QuickBooks Online.